So, building a career in this time and age is just crazy. A lot of expectation, a lot of demands that were not there before. Before now, like roles here, expectations were really like really spelled out. They were not like inter like roles were not clashing. If you're a social media manager, you're a social media manager. If you're a social media marketer, you're a social media marketer. If you're a content marketer, you are a content marketer, which is totally different from content creation. And then if you are a digital marketer, you're a digital marketer, which is totally different from being a social media manager, or a social media marketer. So, but then you see these days where you're seeing expectations of a role, and you're seeing things that cut across, and there's a demand on you, there's a pressure on you to now upskill, to be multifaceted. Like it means that if you try to just build within the skill that you have interest in, it might not be enough because um, you know, I used to pride myself in what they call those things. Oh, I always look forward to calling myself full stack. Full stack means a full stack marketer. That means you can do all around good products, everything. All right. But then I got to a role one time, and after facing the pressures and the expectation of that role, I was like, no, 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 I can't do this. I cannot do this. Please, I need my peace of mind. Right. It was, it looks like, it looks like it's impossible. But then at that phase of my life, it was just crazy. And then it looks like you're not doing what you're supposed to do. But then in one role, you have multiple roles in it. So which is why um I see all these tools as a blessing, really. It is like AI workflows, of which where AI is right now. AI has come far. AI has come a very long way, but it's not there yet as far solving even business problems. There's still a lot of like you need to like combine a lot of things in order to achieve one solution. It's not a bad thing because I mean 2023, 2024, that was when we started having things like ChatGPT, and let's look at where we are in less than 2 years. In about 2 years, AI has really like moved faster than it's ever done in decades. So, um, and then the question is, how do you even like what do you do? What do you how do you find